Your clothes likely feature one of the most ingenious fasteners ever invented. Before its common use, buttons and laces were the frustrating norm for securing garments. Surprisingly, the sewing machine inventor, Elias Howe, patented an automatic continuous clothing closure in 1851, but he never marketed it, focusing his efforts solely on his revolutionary sewing machine. The first commercially available version, the clasp locker, debuted at the 1893 Chicago World's Fair. Its inventor, Whitcomb Judson, designed it for boots, but it was notoriously unreliable and jammed often. True success arrived with Gideon Sundbeck, a Swedish-American engineer, who refined the design in 1913. He called his vastly improved version the hookless Fastener No. 2, featuring interlocking teeth. Initially used for mail bags and tobacco pouches, the zipper gained widespread popularity when B.F. Goodrich used it on rubber boots in 1923. Today, billions of zippers are produced globally each year, securing everything from jeans to spacesuits.